because that would be common and then temporary love is really fine.
loneliness related to attachment हो तो उससे
But it depends, like, what is the cause of loneliness? Is it the attachment or is it the, so for example, significant other, then how to deal with it is to realize that, people come in for a reason,
But
come
the
in for
fear
a
is
reason.
that I don't have a significant other.
No, not you, I mean,
Yeah, but
मतलब-
in my question, it was like with the fear of not, getting connected to someone, I'm not connecting at all. I'm saying I'm thinking if someone.
I'll give you an
in my
answer over
family-
here.
Yeah.
I'll give you an instant answer. There have been some trauma in your childhood.
Okay.
You were suddenly, abruptly left, not knowing why that person left you. It must be in your early childhood days. Check out sometime. Okay? Like they needed to go for a wedding or something, someone's death or something like that. Some kind of a trauma happens and then you say, I do not know when the other person will just leave me alone. So there is kind of, a trauma, a neglect, a childhood abuse, all these factors.
But that can happen in any age as well.
It can happen in, see, when it happens in a later age, we have a hold. We can come to terms with it. But when it happens in early years of childhood, it really leaves a big question mark and it doesn't really exist in memory also. When it happens when you're in the 8th standard and you and your girlfriend has a fight over something, you remember it well enough. That was an issue and I was not ready to go about in that particular way. I was not ready to come to terms with her, all her demands or whatever. So you know how to negotiate it out. But childhood is a phase where you are dependent. Till 5 years, 6 years, you do not know how to go about taking care of yourself. So that fear is a very important fear. So all these reasons, a person really becomes lonely or chooses or is forced to be lonely. And another important reason in today's lifestyle is, of course, economically. If you see down in research, if you have, kind of a job or some facilities where you can go to clubs or go to the gyms and can connect with people or buy certain things for yourself, the loneliness factor is still kind of taken care of. I don't say there's a replacement or a substitute, but it's taken care of. But if the economical side is poor, the loneliness is still much poor. So there are several reasons for loneliness. It is one of the most saddest thing that happens to a human being because he doesn't know how to connect, he doesn't have any hope, he feels even in a party, in a group, he's all himself. So it's a very, very sad state of his being. You want to go through some slides and see, or you have some more questions?
That
Yeah.
how it is.
Okay, I keep that question around. Anything else? Let's collect collective questions and then see. आपको कुछ पूछना है? Even I have not heard from you.
I'm still thinking as to what I should ask.
I guess you're the most lucky one over here.
I do have one question. If you were quite young and yes, you went through a trauma, so that has shaped you out as a person over the years. Can you change yourself after all those years?
Yes, you can.
Okay. How do we go about through that?
See, I would use the word psychotherapy because in a psychotherapy, what happens is in life. Now I'll explain what psychotherapy is all about. Okay? In psychotherapy, we really go through in a reflective mode. In life, I said something to you, you give me back answer. There's no time to really think. But when you sit down in that particular room, in that particular zone, and go back to your past, you kind of reflect. Okay, my father was not really that. Empathetic with me in those days, but then you can see that he also had the pressure of such a huge family. The finances were less. He was still, working hard. So you can do a reflective thinking. You can see things from a different perspective. And the therapist acts as an uncontaminated mirror to you, non-judgmental. And you get finally through all your journey, you get your own insights. And from your own insights, you decide that you forgive, you forget, you move on, you accept, or you hold. Your choice. You still want to hold that grudge, you hold that grudge. But knowingly that I will not forgive my father because he did that to me, even to some degree he could have taken care of me. So, but then that's a conscious thought and a conscious emotion you chose. Otherwise in life we have those blocks, we have that anger, we have those demands, we have those unfulfilled desires. उन्होंने क्या किया था? We are not very clear why we do not want to do and sit next to him and talk with him. But there's some kind of a thing which is not very swift between the two of the parents, whatever it is, the son and the father. So once you understand things,